Hi, welcome. It's Jay Chalak here. Did you know that appearances affect productivity? The way you appear to work can affect your productivity at work. That is why lawyers have a dress code, doctors have a dress code, secretaries have a dress code. The way they look affects the way they work. When it comes to the tech world also, the way something appears has an effect on the way you use it. That's why people prefer to put power buttons on the right side and volume lockers on the left side, because the way it appears has an effect on the way you use the device. Now when we come to iPads, there are so many accessories for it. A lot of people prefer to use their tablets or their iPads as a daily driver. Today I'm going to show you an accessory that can help you use your iPad or your tablet in a very different way that can affect how productive you are with it. And today we are unboxing a giraffe desktop stand from WIWU. I think this is an amazing stand that will affect the way you use your iPad, make you more productive. Alright, so we have our giraffe desk stand here, and it comes in this box. You can see right on the package the specification is broadly compatible, so you can use it for your phone or your tablet. It has a folding storage, so you can fold it and store it, and it has an adjustable height. You can adjust the height, and you can adjust it 360. You can turn it around 360, so it's very efficient with the angles. Whichever angle you want to look at your screen from, you can look at it from. And when we turn over the back, it gives us the brand, the item, the number, and the material is made of a zinc alloy. And there's the black color I got here. Yes, so we are gonna get right into it. Okay, so in the box we have the lower part of the stand. Oh, and it's very firm, adjustable. Oh, and it rotates. Yeah. Oh wow, it's very firm. So this is the stand. We have a manual, I guess, warranty card. So this is the warranty card. And then we have the part that holds your iPad or your tablet. So that's about it for the box. So for setting it up, I think this just goes on. Ooh. I don't know whether I'm doing it right. Oh yeah. I'm doing it right. Wow, so firm, so durable. The base is very heavy, so I don't think your iPad will topple over. So now let's get a device to use with. So I have a 12.9-inch iPad here. I'm going to test the stand, and I'm putting it. It's actually big enough and very steady, and you can rotate it anyway on your desk. Okay, so the clip is very firm. It holds the device firmly, and it's even more adjustable. As you pull it up, it adjusts the height, and you can hold, I think, bigger iPad seems slightly bigger than this. The base is firm, so it will not topple over. It has a sleek look, it has a firm design. You can rotate it 360 wise, and you can adjust the height, and you can tilt this over too if you want. It makes it very efficient, and your iPad is in firmly. So when I take the iPad out now, you can see it has plastic tips here, so you don't have to worry about your iPad scratching. And because of the curve inside, your iPad will barely touch the back of this, so it will also not scratch the back of it. And yeah, it has a sleek design. I personally like this color. And you can fold it like this and keep it somewhere. It's very compact and very nice. Okay, so my problem with this is that it started gathering so much fingerprints. Yeah, but I don't think it's a big deal. I don't think it's a big deal at all. So it has an adjustable, you can turn it over 360. It's very firm, so you can see how durable it's made. You can also turn this around 360 degrees. You can also bend it over to the other side. Yes. I've seen a lot of supermarkets and pharmacies use iPads and tablets as their main POS devices. So this is a very good stand to hold the device in check so that you can just tap on. If you're also in the office, you need something to just type on briefly, you can have this and it works perfectly. So sleek stand, sleek design, quite heavy, so you shouldn't worry about your iPad falling over, and it can rotate to almost every angle you need it to, so you shouldn't also worry about you not seeing it at an angle. So we have our stand here, and I think it's good enough for office use, for personal home use, for your study. A lot of people use their iPads as their main study tools. This is also very good for your study. With this stand, you can use it very efficiently. If it's too high, you can adjust it. It comes a bit lower for you, and you use it. You can turn it whichever way you want, and you have it used. So if you're the type of person who uses your iPad with your MacBook, you can have it here like this, just by your MacBook on the stand, for a very seamless use. You see, maybe you use your iPad as a secondary display, you can have it like this, or you use your iPad while using your laptop. You can have the stand and keep your iPad in it and use it with your laptop. Also, it has very good cable management. So if you want to charge your iPad, you pass the cable through this place and this place, and then you connect it here so that the cables are not all over the table. So you can see very good cable management, and this is behind the iPad, so you know, notice it. If you want this stand, I'll put a number in the description. You can call the number and you get this stand. Kindly subscribe and like this video and share. Thank you so much for watching. Catch you up in the next one.